So we're agreed. You're gonna stay away from Mariah.
I hear what you're saying.
Look, Sharon, this woman didn't just torment you. She came after Abby and Tyler, too. Obviously, she's...
Troubled.
She's a criminal. She doesn't care who she hurts. Please tell me you're gonna stay away from her.
I don't know, Nick.
Sharon.
I'm sorry, I can't help it.
After what I just told you?
Hearing more of Mariah's story doesn't make me want to turn my back on her. It makes me want to reach out to her again.
My money. Where is it? Where is it? You said you would be here if I needed you. I need you.
Yeah, I'm sorry somebody stole your cash, but I can't help you.
What about all the money that you've made?
Victor Newman has made it impossible for me to do business.
Oh my God, you have got to have something saved somewhere.
He's having the path investigated, Mariah. All of my funds are tied up.
And mine are gone. What am I gonna do?
You don't have anywhere else to turn?
I was a ghost, remember? I wasn't exactly out mingling and making friends.
There isn't someone who could offer a sympathetic ear?
Are you kidding me? Everybody in this town hates me.
I know what that's like. There's not one?
No, Ian.
What? What is it?
Sharon came to see me.
She did?
Yeah. She was way nicer than I would have been.
And what did she say?
I couldn't believe it. She said that she wanted to see me again. She wanted to get to know me.
She sounds like a nice woman.
Yeah.
Well, at least there's one member of that family who's willing to keep an open mind.
I don't know. There's being nice, and then there's giving money to a stranger who tormented you for months.
Well, why don't you call her?
I can't. Can I?
You have any other options?
Sharon's pretty much it.
If you're honest and open about your troubles, perhaps Sharon will open up her heart in return.
So you're planning on spending more time with this con woman?
Remember when I told you I needed to know who Mariah really was?
And you do now, which should send you running in the other direction.
But I understand her now.
What, that she's a liar and a stalker?
I understand that loss can sometimes lead people to commit desperate acts, and God knows you and I should both understand that.
Like Summer's paternity.
I didn't mean to make you think of that.
Well, you're right. You're right. It was just after we lost Cassie, and I was desperate.
We've all done things we regret.
Mariah is not asking for forgiveness. She's just in town stirring up more trouble for Abby and Tyler. And Sharon, you're giving her a free pass.
No, I'm not. But I am getting a better window into who this girl really is and why she did what she did to me.
It doesn't matter why she pretended to be our dead daughter. What she did is inexcusable.
It is, and it hurt me, and it scared me. But Nick, if I'm ever really going to get past it, I need to understand her. And you need to let me.
Look, you are trying to make a connection with this girl for one reason.
Because she looks like my daughter.
I really think you should talk to Dr. Mead about this.
Well, that's up to me.
Well, of course it is, Sharon, but...
Nick, do you think I can't handle this? Do you think that me just being around this girl, who I know very well is not Cassie, will lead me to be unstable again? Because I thought you had more faith in me than that.
I do trust you.
You just don't trust Mariah.
She is manipulative and deceitful and will do anything for money.
I understand that, but...
Okay, why do you want to spend time with her? How can it possibly help you?
Maybe she's the one who needs help.
Sharon, you've worked so hard to get your health back and restore your life. It's paying off.
guys have been so good with us and with the kids. And this isn't gonna change that.
I just love you so much.
You should have started out with that.
Now you tell me. You're doing well. We're doing so well. I don't want to see you risk any of the progress you've made getting sucked into Mariah's existence.
I'll be right back. Mariah.
Can I come in?
The Young and the Restless will continue.
You got a lot of nerve showing up here.
I wouldn't be here if it wasn't important.
What do you want?
What is it, Mariah?
I was wondering if I could talk to you privately.
Okay, come on in. Nick will give us some time alone.
Is this a good idea?
Well, we'll see.
Sharon?
You said you trust me, remember?
We all know what you're up to. Don't think you can take advantage of Sharon.
Strange. Having you here in the house Cassie lived in. I just imagined her walking through that door and standing there so many times.
I've been here before.
Well, yeah, of course. Why are you here, Mariah?
I didn't have anybody else, and my room was robbed, and I lost all of my money, and you said if I needed anything.
Well, did you go to the police?
No, no police.
Why? Because the money that was stolen was the money Victor gave you to haunt me?
Look, I said that I was really sorry about all of that. And you know, the cash and I would be long gone by now if it weren't for you.
What do you mean?
The only reason I stayed in town is because you said that you wanted me to.
Oh. Or did you stay in town so that you could steal Tyler from Abby?
Hello, Dylan.
Get out.
I'm disappointed that my son still feels such hostility towards me. I've told you before, Dylan, you can't make me get out.
In fact, Ian, I can. I have the right to refuse anybody who harasses my employees or the customers. For example, trying to recruit young people to follow your path.
Oh,
Hit the door.
Clearly, you've consulted with your lawyer girlfriend, a very bright woman, who must have also informed you that that argument won't hold up.
Want to test that out?
No, I'm leaving, but I'll be back when you're in a more social mood.
That should be the day after. Never.
We should talk. I really do want to build a relationship with you, my boy. Good to see you again, Nicholas.
I don't mind.
Hello, Leslie.
Ian, you're that cult guy who hit on my niece.
Hey, easy, baby.
Oh, you must be Abby Newman. Such an attractive family.
Hey, look, don't push it, all right?
Why are you here?
My apologies, Abby, to you and to your fiance, but I need a private moment with my attorney. Excuse me.
Yeah.
I'm afraid there's more trouble on the horizon.
This was a dumb move. You know, and I bought it when you claimed that you wanted to help me.
You chose not to mention your relationship with Tyler in our earlier conversation.
I wonder why.
You could have just been honest.
You know, you say that you want to get to know me and that you won't judge me, but then you hold my past against me. This is why I don't trust people. You're just another person who lies.
Wait.
I want you to look into my being refused service in here.
Okay, yeah, I can do that, Ian, but I think it would just be smarter if you just stay away.
I intend to stay close to Dylan.
I wish I could be done with you for good.
Will you make sure I'm not prosecuted again? And you will be.
Yeah.
All right?
But I will always carry the burden of what you told me in confidence.
So I heard from Mom you got arrested.
Should I tell you why?
Ian's harassing Avery?
That's what I think, anyway.
You're not sure?
Avery doesn't think it's him. She didn't want me to go after the guy.
Did that create some issues?
Nah, we had a few heated discussions.
I bet.
Especially after Avery had to walk out on the shoot of her second webisode because I got hauled down to the police station.
Just file a formal complaint against Ian.
There's no real proof. I just can't let Ian get to me.
Well, you handled him okay then. Seemed like you were in control.
Yeah, this time.
Look, he's just trying to get under your skin by coming after Avery.
I mean, how do you feel about Nikki staying in the same place Ian's staying?
I don't like it, but, you know, Mom's strong. We gotta respect her choice.
How's Sharon doing?
She's doing well. Just gotta make sure she keeps that up.
How are you going to accomplish that?
By keeping her safe from the people who could hurt her again.
This is all I have on me right now, but that should be enough to tide you over until you get back on your feet.
I appreciate this, Sharon.
What is it?
Thank you.
Come in.
You all right?
I'm perfectly fine.
What did Mariah want?
She needed help, Nick.
And why is it your job to help her?
She's all alone.
Whose fault is that, after everything she's done?
She just needs someone to give her a chance. There's more to her than you think. You'll see.
Can I help you?
Mariah Copeland, you're under arrest.
What for?
Pending charges in Portland. You're being extradited.
No.
Hands behind your back.
No, wait. Wait, you can't do this.
You have the right to remain silent. Anything you do can and will be used against you in the court of law.